Joeshmo Fishing. We are fishing in Texas today, freshwater. I got this nice little baby bass topwater spook, and this is my first ever time fishing in Texas, and hopefully we'll get some fish. There'll be hopefully a lot more videos filmed here in Texas that will be going up on the channel shortly after this one. So if you like today's video, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification button. Okay, here we go. First ever cast. Brand new lure, brand new rod. See what happens. Oh, the fish just jumped out there. This cast's pretty good, actually, to be honest. Some minnows around it. Right in front of me. I wasn't even looking. I was trying to adjust the camera. That's probably like 10 feet away. There's a little swirl right here. And they're in a cast towards that little dock / boathouse. There's a lot of minnows everywhere. Look. And there it is again. Hooked itself. So I was walking by the pond and saw a lot of baby bass, so that's why I chose this baby largemouth bass lure. I couldn't tell if that was the baby bass they're eating or what, but that's why I chose this lure, so hopefully we'll get a bass. Okay, now we're gonna move to the spot where I saw all the fish. There's a little bit of action here earlier. I'm just trying to make my way down towards the cove. That's where most of the fish are. I saw a little bit of splashing in here. Too many weeds off the time my frog. We're gonna keep heading up towards the cove. Hopefully we'll get some fish. I was just told that there are gar in here, so hopefully that will be in a future video. Hopefully we'll try to get those tomorrow, maybe even tonight if we have time. I'll have to do a little bit of research about that. I'm not really I haven't really fished for alligator gar ever, or know much about it as a matter of fact, but we're gonna try to get a bluegill and use that as bait for that video, so be sure to hit the notification bell so you will not miss that video. A second ago there were some geese off camera, and so there's some nice structure, so I went up to them to give it a cast, and I cast out over the structure. Then they fly away. They hit spooked. It was a huge fish. Could have been a gar. There's also striped bass, which I do catch saltwater, but the freshwater, like the hybrid ones, are in here. Could have been one of them. or just, largemouth bass. There's some minnows jumping right here though, so let me give this a try. We're gonna move, just kind of do a little exploring, see where the most action is, and then come back and target the spots that I think have the most fish, or the best chance of catching the fish, and then we'll go from there. A little bit of something going on up here, so we're gonna try this out. That's not good. Whew. So this is the cove I was talking about. The action just goes all the way down. There's some nice, there's a big tree in the water. There's some nice, a lot more weeds. It's a nice little spot to catch some fish. Hopefully there'll be some hiding over there in the structure. These ducks are following me around everywhere I go, so that's that. A little splash to the right if we're gonna cast it. Let's get up on here. Get a nice bird's eye view. I was right about where the splash was. I don't think it was like a big fish. It was just minnows. Usually when minnows splash, it's because something pushed them up or something. This is where I want to be on the cove. Perfect spot. Oh, look at that. Go to my lure. Came over, I saw the splash, and I don't know. You guys should be able to see it on the GoPro. There's just another big one. And it's not minnows. The reason I like it over here is during the day, it's very dark right now, the shadows, you can't see in the water. Right in here, it's all shallow, but it comes right down and there's a drop off. So right in here is where the drop off is. And that's where the action is. Seems like a good sized fish, whatever's going on in here. They're here, they're just not executing with the right technique or lure. Or, I mean, from what it seems, they're biting, so probably time to switch lures or something involving that. Oh, the camera was on for that, I just realized. Wow. There's just so much action over here. Trying to get this lure to go side to side. It's been going fine until now. Get it lower to the ground. That explains why it's not going side to side. Alright, hopefully we can catch whatever that is. That seems like it's at least above 2 pounds, so hopefully we can get it. It'd be great. It does not want this lure at all. So I'm not really sure what to change to because I think the drop's right in there, but it's just pretty weedy. So I don't want to do a frog because there's just not enough cover for that. It's a very tough decision. So just gonna keep casting for now until it considers biting. There's a huge fin. I was just right up right here. I just reeled in my cast. It's directly in the sun. A little bit left. I can kind of see a squirrel. Oh my god. It's 100% a gar. The fin on it was huge. Wow. Oh my god. There it is, there it is. Oh my god. This thing is giant. Actually, there's actually some big catfish in here from what I've heard too. I need live bait super bad. That fin's like, from what I saw, it's 6 inches. I'm not sure if it's picking it up on the GoPro. There it is. Right behind my bait. Oh my god. There it is. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's giant. It's literally giant. I need to bomb it right past it. Come on. Oh my god, dude. This thing. Just grab it, eat it. I don't know if it's shallow or something. I don't know. I don't know what the depth is out there. But for some reason it's on top. There it is. Oh, I don't want to leave, but then I gotta get bait. I'm trying to think, how could I get bait? Frog? I don't even have a hook to put it on if I get one. Because obviously I'm not from here and I did not bring my tackle on the airport because I had no room. So we'll try to slow retrieve. Extremely slow. Because whoever it is very slow. Man, there it is again. I don't even want to retie. I'm scared. Alright, it's something big, so I'm gonna need to have a scoop in my frog. I'm going to what could I catch that's alive? Dang, look at that. I just want to walk out there and grab it. Oh, it's like a gar or one of them huge cats. I'm gonna. What do I do? I ain't got a hook to put it on. What do I do? What can I catch as bait? Nothing. See if it bites the frog. It's the only option. Look at that thing, dude. It will, if I have to, I'll walk right in. I don't know. I don't really want to walk in these waters, considering it has gators and all this other stuff. There it is. It's moving towards the right. Come on, eat. Oh my God, that thing is huge. Oh. Even if I got bait, I don't have anything to put them on. Come on, where are you? Could be long gone. Any second it can just take off. Where is it? How do we go about? Anything washed up? Nope. Seems like it's heading towards this direction. What can I use? From what I know, alligator do not really bite lures. I don't know much about them. I know that they're a fish, and I know exactly what they look like. There it is. Oh. So, I wish I had a follow hook. I'll be back shortly. I just gotta go start scavenging. First I gotta find a hook. What if I can walk up there? There's a cracked bobber over here. Hopefully there's some line on it. I really gotta find. No. Okay, we'll be back shortly.